Mr. C is back in our studio with some hair-raising science. I'm disappointed in you, though.
Why?
Where's your costume?
I'm always dressed like this.
That's right.
I'm always in
the
character.
scientist.
Absolutely.
Great to have you
There we
back. What's going on here today?
All right, so we are going to explore something new. I'm going to turn this off so we don't have that sound blasting in our ears. But what we've got going on here is I brought a special gas along called sulfur hexafluoride.
Huh.
And helium, when you fill a balloon up with helium, what does it do? It
rises.
it floats, right?
Okay,
Because it's
sure.
less dense than the air around
I
it.
blanked for a second.
Sulfur hexafluoride, that's okay, thing one. Sulfur hexafluoride is actually 6 times heavier than the air around us. So instead of it floating, it actually sinks. Now, I've been filling up this tank. It's hard to see that, right? So we're going to do a couple of things to show you. And I brought some liquid nitrogen. You can hear it kind of gurgling. And we're
Wow,
gonna
that's so cool.
And what I want to do is just kind of pour it on top here. And you can see that it doesn't want to go in because the tank is actually full of heavier gas.
That is so cool.
We're going to try something else. What's really cool about sulfur hexafluoride is when you, I want you to
take a little bit of drink of that and just talk with me.
What?
Okay.
Darth Vader. Darth Vader.
Yes.
I am the Cat in the Hat. Welcome to Living Dayton.
Are you going to try?
I can't do it.
All right,
How
so
long is it?
it
How
wears
long
off.
is it gonna last?
It wears off. Take deep breaths.
I don't know. That was a pretty
It's not working.
big
Is it working?
gulp of air.
No, it is.
Is it gone now?
Okay,
I'm
so
scared of myself. Wait, it's
So if you
not-
just take
okay,
a little bit of
mine's-
gulp, it works a little
Should I
bit
try it
better.
again? I don't think I did it that
Okay, I
well.
think it's gone now. No, it's still there.
I'm going to so take a nice deep breath. So what we have to, you get the air
Is it
out,
gone now?
and you start replenishing the other air, right?
There you go.
Oh,
So my
heart's
voice sounds a
racing.
little bit funny still. I know we have a couple of seconds, but Cat in the Hat, spooky science, this is spooky science. Helium makes your voice go up in pitch.
Yes,
Sulfur
yes,
hexafluoride
yes.
makes it go down because it's a heavier, more dense gas, and it also causes your vocal cords to vibrate slower. You want to try one more time before we're out of time?
There we go.
I think my head's
I'm
spinning.
going to turn this off so no one gets zapped by accident. Okay, it's good. You're good.
Yeah?
Well, hi there. Oh my God! How am I supposed to do the show with this?
How is this possible? Breathe out. Okay,
right,
I'm back
Cam.
to normal. That was insane. Thank you, Mr. C.
Right.
Mr. C, thank you so much for your time here today.
Can we do this every day? Thank
Okay.
you. Okay.
Thank you so much for having me. I love this show. I don't know what to say now. Say goodbye to the fans.
We're good to go.
Thank you
yes.
so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.